I am typically on the ceiling. Sometimes I come in a box that can fit in the window. Sometimes I just stand up tall and have blades that spin. I typically am turned on at night to stay cool. Sometimes I'm turned on at all times just to circulate the air. I typically get turned on um, along with lights, but sometimes I stay on with the light when the light is turned off. I like to sleep with this on every night, and I also like to have one that goes that sits on my bedside table that blows on me as well. People like to use me because not only do I cool you off, I also am a way to kind of take sound and just kind of make it monotone. I like to be used typically on low, but I have medium and high settings. Sometimes when people are outside, they'll come in and they'll get in front of this. Or like when you're cooking, you might turn one on above your stove to pull the air out, pull the air up that you're cooking, like the steam and stuff. So turn me on when you're hot. Turn me on when you sleep. Turn me on when you're in the bathroom after you take a shower. You might turn me on outside in the shop when it's really hot. You might turn me on to cool down a building. You might turn me on to refresh yourself. You might turn me on when you're at like a park, like what are those parks called? Like amusement parks. You might walk under one, cools you off. I'm a fan.